and he's taken like this little trailer that's come around here, and he'd have another trailer strapped to the back of that, and he's got it. Oh, see the wobble on that back wheel. Yeah. Anyway, yeah, his turning circle is worse than a semi truck. Yes. It looks like we're just going to get straight through. Well, it is Sunday. It's a Sunday afternoon, approximately, I will say 4 p.m, 4:30. It's rainy season. It rained this morning a little. And this is the railway line. You get through very easily here. So we'll go for a ride. Our hotel apartment's just up there on the left. But this went really well, so I'll take you for a little run around. This is one of the main streets here. I hope you can see the shops that are open. There's different things. Hot Talk is best as I can work out is men's barber. Naduk is a pharmacy. There's lots of little pharmacies where you can buy quite a lot of stuff over the counter. Bon no, yeah, not saying that right. Nem Dung, something fried. I thought Nem was man. Oh, there's a barbecue, Korean beef barbecue place. Kids, primary school. Another. Don't know what that was. I suppose it is late Sunday, so there's not a lot open and not a lot of traffic. Boba Pop, Taiwan tea. Tom Ga is rice and Ga, I can't remember, Ga is chicken or Ka is, no, Ga chicken. Ka is fish. No? Yep, fried chicken. Back there. I did see a kebab joint along here, but I've only seen him twice open it. And I have not seen him again. It's not a traditional kebab as we have back. It bit of a mystery meat, but it worked. It was quite nice. And we'll go along here. A couple of hotels along here. This is where the buses drop along. I know there are at least another 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 Westerners in this city, but I've yet to see them out and about. And we just do this. This is what we do. We just merge. Oh, there's a church there, so everyone will be going to church. This is the main road through the town. There's that road we turned off that is almost like a bypass. Well, it is like a bypass, and then this one must have been the old main road through, I would say. Well, while I'm down in this way, I'll go to the bank and get some more money out for leaving. This would be very boring for you, I suppose, if anyone's still listening. Good luck. Roundabout. Man, that's the easiest roundabout I've gotten through. This has been a very event-free road, which is good. Oh, I should have shown you the big statue. I'll turn around. I'll do some editing if this is boring. I'll assume I can do some editing on this. Unless it's stopped. But yeah, I'm doing around about 42 kilometres an hour. And that's through town. That seems to be plenty fast for me. Didn't have a mask, so she's holding the t-shirt up to her mouth. Interesting belief system. Oh, here's the statue up on my right. It'll be directly in the sun, you won't see that. I'll turn around. Got to go to the ATM shortly, so I will turn around. This is... I'm going to do what others do, right on the wrong side of the road for a short period of time. Go to the ATM right here. Turn you off so you don't see my PIN number. Oh, and check to see if you actually worked.